Seeing the DirectX 9 DLL in your favorite title? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer. Let's fix your gaming DLLs and get your performance back to normal. This DLL file is an early version of the DirectX 9 helper library. It contains specific graphics routines for older Windows games, including shader support and texture loading required for titles released around 2005. Let's transition to the solution, starting with the official Microsoft redistributable. The DirectX 9 Update 26 DLL is commonly utilized in game graphics and audio processing routines. To resolve the error, install the Microsoft DirectX End-User Runtime to restore legacy DirectX-related DLLs, then update your GPU drivers to ensure full OpenCL and OpenGL support. When a fresh installer fails to clear the error, it typically points toward a deeper conflict within the Windows execution layer. A simple restart can resolve file-in-use errors that mimic a missing the DirectX 9 message. It's a low-effort step that ensures your operating system starts with a clean execution stack. Don't forget to bookmark the video or give it a like before you restart. It's the fastest way to jump right back into this tutorial after the reboot. As we finalize the restoration, it's important to observe standard security protocols regarding system files. Be aware that manual interventions for the DirectX 9 Update 26 DLL often create secondary conflicts. Using an incorrect file version can cause cascading application crashes, making your workstation significantly less stable than before. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. To reduce uncertainty around library management, the diagnostic tool below includes informational content on synchronizing the DirectX 9. Your feedback is valuable. If this fix got DirectX End-User Runtime working for you, please like the video and subscribe to stay informed on maintaining a secure environment.